Good morning, YouTube. I'm on the way to work. Emma's at home today, obviously looking after the kids, but unfortunately I'm on an office day, so I'm working 1 until 9 o'clock this evening. Long old shift, although not as long as the 12-hour shifts I normally do. For any of you that don't know, I actually work at an airport up north, working operations for a company there, doing flight plans and various bits and pieces. So it sounds more glamorous than it really is, but yeah, it's about an hour and 15 commute to work for me. So it's a nice old drive on top of a long shift, but it pays the bills and puts food on the table.
Hello YouTube, it is December the 4th today. I have started vlogging later on in the day today because I have had so much to do this morning. I've just been trying to sort the house out. There's still boxes from when we moved here nearly 2 years ago that I haven't actually gone through. I'm also currently going through loads of the kids' old toys and clothes and then sorting those out. I'm really lazy and I always end up leaving it to December to actually sort through old clothes and toys, and then I donate them. Olivia went to nursery this morning. She goes on a Monday and a Tuesday for a full day, and then she has a half day on a Wednesday. I'm really upset because, as you can probably see, the blue is coming out of my hair. The middle part of my hair is actually where the peroxide didn't get to properly, so I need to re-peroxide it anyway. I'm really upset at the moment because I can't find Die Hard anywhere. I can't find it on Sky, Amazon Prime, on Netflix. And I don't have the DVD. And it's December the 4th, guys, and I should have watched it by now. But anyway, I'm rambling, so I'm going to stop now, and I'm actually going to show you some footage from today.
The walking around the Christmas tree, happy, happy, hop. The Christmas tree and the happy, hop. I love you, Mommy.
Oh, I love you too.
Day.
I've been trying to revive this tree back to life for so long now. The bottom one doesn't even have any leaves on it anymore. I'm sorry, old friend. I failed you. Really sad at the moment as well because one of my decorations is broken. My little reindeer. Jason got hold of it. To be honest, I'm actually kind of surprised it's taken this long for any of them to break. So there's always that. And there's always glue. So Jason and Robin are both sleeping, aren't they?
Yeah. I was eating sausage all day.
You've been eating sausages all day?
Yeah. And some juice was cold juice. It was pink and yellow, orange and blue, and we had some ice cream and from the cushion. And
You had some ice cream from the cushion?
yeah. What's doing that noise?
That's a tumble dryer.
Yeah. We got two. We got one in the kitchen and two in our other kitchen with some sink you can have for lunch, and that's why we have a kitchen and two, and we have two dryers and two kitchens, two dryers, kitchens, two dryers and two dryers, two dryers, two dryers and two kitchens. I want to get my book. I'm going to read a story. Okay, there's one fairy crawled in the dark one, crawled in the sea. Crocodile eat them and never the sea knew. And he was breaking them. All the people scared eat the monsters. The monster was eating the girl. Now, look at this. It's Olivia and Jason and Daddy and Mommy and Baby. That's why we are on the bed. The fairies went off and never see. He see the bugs and he was big and he was eating the fairies. That's why. And it was, look at that. It's a baby. The mother eat the stones and turned to the rock. That's why. The one shined off and turned to a dragon's. Yeah. And the magic was the Olivia call from the berries. The end.
So tonight is the Victoria's Secret fashion show. I love this. I watch it every single year. And so in the Diamond House, we're preparing. Hurry up, Daddy. We want to watch the Victoria's Secret fashion show.
Hey guys, I just finished work. It was a long one. Long drive home now. I'm gonna get home, have some dinner with Emma. Tonight is a Victoria's Secret fashion show, so woohoo! Woohoo! Always love some of that. Looking forward to that. I look forward to it every year. It's a little Christmas treat. Me and Em sit down and watch. Just always a great show. Fantastic costumes, and it's always a spectacle. If you don't watch it, I heartily recommend it. But yeah, I'm going to get on the road now and I'm going to enjoy a bit of the Critical Role podcast.
Ben's home now and the kids are asleep, which means it's time to watch the Victoria's Secret fashion show.